Still hungry?
What are you cooking?
I'm making lobster Cracker Jacks.
Watch this MasterChef contestant prove the judges wrong with a delicious lobster popcorn dish. You won't believe their reaction at the end.
I'm a carpenter, but I want to pursue food and see what I can do with it.
I like the way you utilize a beer bottle for a rolling pin.
Staring out over the ocean and the utensils aren't always around. Everybody's always got a beer bottle in their hand.
Lobster, popcorn, nuts, and caramel served in a cocktail glass. You know, it's bizarre.
Smirking. Probably don't hear this much, but you're a lot smaller in person than I thought you were going to be.
Camera adds about 180 pounds. Salty, sweet.
This is one of those things that either works or it doesn't.
Popcorn and lobster, that doesn't read well on the menu. But there's something intriguing about that because I'm forced to say it actually works. But it's bizarre. It's a 100% yes because it was absolutely delicious. Why does that work? You can't stop eating it.